with the tankless, you're only using gas when you need it. You know, you turn it on, there's a flow switch in there, but as soon as you turn the water on, after a second or two, it kicks on. That's where the gas is going. There's no pilot light that's, that's heating the water up, the burner that's heating the water up when it cools down, like in a tank water heater. So with a tank water heater, you just have there's just a tank there, they heat it up, the burner turns off, and then if you don't use that water, eventually it'll cool down. When it cools down to a certain point, the thermostat recognizes that and turns the burner back on. So it will just keep heating the same water up. So that's wasting gas. With this, it only turns on when you need it. So it's very efficient in that way. The price for one of these things, obviously it's from job to job, but they're about double and sometimes triple. Yep, triple the price of a tank water heater, depending on what type you get. But they're gonna last you 3 times as long. Especially if you take care of them and do some descaling, which is something that you can do yourself. Like I said, you can get a kit. You can get a kit online. It comes with everything you need.
Instructions.
And then we're gonna put some videos on showing you how to descale. This one's a little different because they're how it's plumbed, but you're gonna have to mess with the dip switches on this one. But for a normal, regular water heater at your house, you don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is hook up and go. So this is where I worked at for a long time, they would use just apple cider vinegar to descale a water heater, which is, it worked for us. But I use stuff like this, like a descaling liquid. This is the one that I like. So you can get something like this and do it yourself. We're gonna put videos up showing you how to do a tankless flush, but if you're not comfortable with it, you can call us or you can visit us on our website at aplumbingllc.com.